Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you to how to download Pycharm IDE. If you're wondering what Pycharm is, it is a free open source IDE to write your Python code and execute it. So first go to Google and type Pycharm download, then click the first link here. Okay, now you have two versions of Pycharm, which is professional and community. So since you're new to Python, you can use this version, community, and download it. Okay, I am cancelling this because I have already downloaded Pycharm here. Okay, if you are using Mac, you can go press here and download. If you are using Linux, you can go here and download. Okay, after you finish downloading it, you can just press next, and then finish. After you press finish, you'll go to this window right here. Then your window will appear like this. Okay, you can create a new file by right click here on this Python project folder, and then go to new, then go to Python file, then name your file anything like hi.py, but .py is compulsory. Then press enter and a new Python file is created. Okay,